Hello, welcome. So I actually asked my email list to pick what I was going to do for a tutorial today, and nobody responded. So I had a list of 4 potential hairstyles, and I just got to pick one myself. So I'm going with a heart bun by PurplePurpleYam on YouTube. This video is 13 years old. So we're very lucky that it is still in existence. And it's simple, but comes out looking like a heart. And I'm gonna use a hair stick just so that the heart shape is really visible. Unless, actually, maybe I'll use a swerve. Let's see how this works. Okay, so make sure you can see my head. Yes, okay. I'm gonna start twisting like a cinnamon bun, but keep on just twisting. Okay, now I'm going to grab it here and turn it into a loop and bring that loop over to the side. And then I have the 2 parts of the heart there. And deal with the ends somehow. Yeah. So nice and simple, but kind of special.